Is it the right time to buy or sell Pfizer stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Pfizer. We initially published a report on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 5, 2023, our system has identified Pfizer as a sell candidate with a score of -1.43. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -1.65%. This means that, on average, it has been losing -0.10% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potentially lucrative opportunity for short-term traders as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $28.77, as it may indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -16.91% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -26.31% and -16.45%. In terms of the 12-month trend, we anticipate a -34.44% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between -41.42% and -22.67%. In other words, the stock price may range from $16.76 to $22.13 after a year. Our latest update on Pfizer's stock price reveals that it ended at $28.61 on Wednesday, with a gain of 0.704%. On the last trading day, Wednesday, December 27, 2023, Pfizer's stock price increased from $28.41 to $28.61, marking a 0.704% gain. This positive trend has continued for the past 4 days. We eagerly await to see if this upward momentum will persist or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a 1.48% fluctuation, reaching a low of $28.31 and a high of $28.73. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 0.1% increase over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. A total of 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 31 million shares bought and sold for approximately $895.78 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price was $51.67, while the lowest price was $25.76. Currently, the price is 44.62% lower than the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $23.06. Furthermore, it is 53.64% below the all-time high reached on December 20, 2021, when the price reached $61.71. Today, I want to talk about analyst ratings for Pfizer, a pharmaceutical company. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Barclays gave Pfizer an equal weight grade with a hold action. Moving on to November 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley also gave Pfizer an equal weight grade with a hold action. The earlier rating from Barclays on November 1, 2023, was also an equal weight grade with a hold action for Pfizer. And on the same day, November 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley also gave Pfizer an equal weight grade with a hold action. Going back to October 16, 2023, Goldman Sachs rated Pfizer as positive with a hold action. Pfizer stock has received a general strong buy rating from analysts. Analysts consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating for return on investment. Today, let's take a look at some signals that have been identified for Pfizer. First, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 9.49%. This positive momentum suggests that there could be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals to consider that may influence the near short-term development. The Pfizer stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. This indicates a more negative forecast for the stock, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $29.07. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $28.08. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. This indicates a potentially bearish trend for the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots are showing a buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 240 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 231 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Pfizer. Let's start with support. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $26.66 and $26.63. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which for Pfizer would be at $26.63 and $26.13. Now, let's discuss the risk involved with this stock. Pfizer has average movements during the day in good trading volume, so the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $0.420 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.48% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.82%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Pfizer, let's first understand some important fundamental data. One of the key metrics is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or an undervalued stock, which could present a buying opportunity. Now, let's move on to the latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023, which is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.160. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Pfizer. If the stock is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $28.91. If you're thinking of entering a position, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. For those who already own shares, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Pfizer faces its first support level at $26.66. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a potential rebound. The average rating for Pfizer from multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 15, 2023, Jeremy Alexander conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On December 15, 2023, Dolston Michael conducted an insider buy of 37,552 shares of phantom stock units. On December 15, 2023, Burla Albert conducted an insider buy of 20 shares of phantom stock units SSP. On December 15, 2023, Burla Albert conducted an insider buy of 375,516 shares of phantom stock units SSP. On December 15, 2023, Lenkler Douglas M. conducted an insider buy of 37,644 shares of phantom stock units SSP. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 388.149. Overall, insiders purchased 660,791 shares and sold 16,223 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, our evaluation for this stock is negative and we haven't set a stop loss. Is Pfizer stock a good investment? Unfortunately, Pfizer currently exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance may be weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, December 28, we anticipate Pfizer's opening price to be down $0.0600, starting at $28.55. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be your sole source of information when it comes to investing. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What do you think the target for this stock is? Remember to like and subscribe if you find this content valuable. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead.